2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: four-wheel drive, convertible soft top, pass-through rear seat, brake assist, roll bars, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, traction control, cruise control, variable speed intermittent wipers. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.